everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete MeetMe account. So let's get started. First, open your MeetMe application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on Settings. Then tap on Delete Account, which is under Account Settings. If you are sure, tap on Yes. Then enter your email address and your password. Once you are done, tap on Delete Account. And this is how you can delete MeetMe account. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.